Breakfast burrito can be an absolute treat. Morning, evening, lunch, any time of the day you can eat that shit.
Floyd, actually, breakfast burrito means breakfast.
Ignoring this fool, we're gonna get a pan nice and hot. And right here, we got some nice pork mince. Straight in the pan of that. And we're gonna start to color it. We're gonna start making our salsa. Tomato based. You always gotta have salsa in a burrito. It's not a burrito without a salsa. And today, I'm gonna do two different styles. I'm gonna show you how to make one without using a burrito wrap, and I'm gonna do a normal one straight in the bowl. Coriander and mint. Because we wanna have minty bread. You can't even toss a pan in there. That's what I'm saying. Spring onion.
Fucking toss it, mate. Think of that toss.
You know what? I will give credit when credit is due. No credit. This guy come over with his noodly ass arms.
Noodle. One punch, my friend. My fist hits you, your head hits floor.
3 hits, Neil. I hit you, you hit the ground, ambulance is Ailey. That's the joke,
Unoriginal.
actually.
Unoriginal.
We've got coloured chilies, but really, these are just peppers. Cool little things. Fruity.
Tell you what though, you know I love a burrito. You know that.
I don't know, he lives off burritos. Like, he eats like 4 a week or something, 4 or 5 a week.
I eat them for brekkie, I eat them for lunch, I eat them for brunch, I eat them for dinner.
He's a very burrito-y guy. I don't really get it, but that's his thing, man. That's his thing. Pan toss. The tool of legends. So you got a cool little salsa going on here. This is gonna like give us mega flavor. We're gonna season this up with apple cider vinegar. Woo! Garlic. Breakfast time. We're thinking, you know, light, fresh, minty, not too strong.
Time for a pop quiz.
What's your quiz?
What is the capital city of Ireland? You're from the UK. This is a UK pop quiz.
Is it? I don't fucking know. I don't know.
Name one city of Ireland.
I'm really not sure.
Let me change the question. Name me one city in Ireland.
Dublin.
Yes, that's the capital city for.
You want to hear my Irish chat line?
Go on.
Are you ready? Are you from Dublin?
Because my penis is Dublin.
So now we got a nice bit of colour all over our fork. You know, it wouldn't be breakfast without the bacon.
Woo!
Can't be. Can it be a meal? Oh, it can.
No, I do agree on that one. You do need bacon in your breakfast.
You do.
For a healthy, balanced diet, bacon is essential.
I don't think I could live without bacon in the world. Could you?
No.
Now, we hit this bad boy with yogurt. I always go with low-fat yogurt because, let's be honest, why would you want the balance?
Flavour, mate, flavour.
No.
See, as a
you don't know
chef,
anything in it.
I know that flavour.
Oh, look at that. That's cooking.
Pop question number 2 of 4. What's the capital city of Scotland?
A little bit of salt. Is it Edinburgh or Glasgow?
Edinburgh.
See, I knew it. I said Edinburgh first. You know what I do know? You got to come over. Black pepper.
And the capital of Thailand is
Bangkok. And you can hill it with some lemon juice. So now we're going to have like a nice creamy, garlicky, zesty salsa. And it's just going to transform the whole burrito. The good thing about this as well is if you want it, because I know obviously nobody's got time in the morning to make a breakfast burrito. This has been recording for like, how long has this been recording for so far?
11 minutes.
11 minutes. I reckon it'll take me about 20 minutes. I mean, everyone's not me, so it'll probably take a normal person about half an hour. But what you can do, you can make all these things, right, in advance, big batch, and then it'll take you like 2 minutes to put it together in the morning. Breakfast burrito every day. How about that, Emil?
Sounds lovely.
Or you can do what Emil does and just order a burrito every morning.
Question number 3.
Now, eggs.
What is the capital city of Wales?
Of Wales? Holy shit. Who knows about Wales? What even is Wales? I usually go, when I do my eggs, 3 whites and 3 whole eggs. Woo! I feel like, Emil, you'll be really good at this move. So, boom.
Cardiff.
Cardiff is part of Wales. I thought Wales was just hills and sheep. Cardiff is a city. Cumin powder going in. I need that spice in my life. Innit, Mil? A smoked paprika, cinnamon powder. Gotta have some cinnamon powder. Some magical smells are about to hit your nose. Next up, whisk up your eggs. Move all your meat to one side of the pan, and then your eggs go in.
I don't know about this whole eggs in my burrito business. I mean, I guess it is a breakfast burrito.
You know what, Emil? You're about to find out. So now, the eggs are cooked, you just mix it all together. Like one little pan. So now's your time to check the salt. Needs a tiny bit. Tell you what, mate. That makes me randy, that does.
So you're not doing any rice?
Really? I got rice. I got some pre-cooked rice. So this is actually like ginseng rice. Just like that. Cook the man some eggs, bitch. Okay. Salsa. Stick it around the back. It's also what she said. And over the top. There we go. Stop it! Stop it! Once you've wrapped it up nice and successfully, just gonna stick it on anything toasty. A grill. Cheers, mate. Pan, an oven, anything you want, man. Oh yeah. Get that bread nice and crispy. Now we're gonna do the healthy one. So take yourself 2 nori sheets, a little bit of rice just to help stick it for now. You can put that there, and then they won't move around. And we're just gonna layer nice and slowly with lettuce leaf. And then we're gonna hit it up with some rice. And just flatten it out a little bit. If you wet your hands, it won't stick to your fingers, so you can give it a good little flattening. It's time to hit it with the good stuff.
Are you gonna roll that one? You've overfilled it again, personally.
I haven't figured that bit out yet. Okay, so now, tell you what, mate. If I manage to roll this, I'm gonna be a legend amongst any community. Salad leaves on top, keep the nori from going soggy, because we don't want soggy nori, do we, Emil?
Nope.
Time to roll. Oh, I think I'm gonna make it. Come on. Come on, boys. You got this. Squeeze it up real tight in the middle of the night. And release the roly-poly. Oh yeah. There we go. Got a bit fill out the side. And that is what I call breakfast burrito kimbap.
It is just a big kimbap base. I've been looking forward to this.
Ooh, it's warm. Warm bread. Bread's gotta be warm. Can't be cold breading it up out here. You know what I'm saying?
Cheese melted. That's good.
Breakfast burrito.
That's a good breakfast burrito. All you need is some hot sauce.
There you go. Mmm. Holy moly. It just tastes like breakfast. Bacon, got eggs. The pork isn't overpowering. It's just meat going through.
I'd eat that for breakfast.
Now, kimbap. I was gonna call this like a healthy burrito, but it's a kimbap. And it's also, you know, healthy solution to not using a wrap.
I'm on that unhealthy though.
Dude, they're like 400 calories a wrap.
Really?
Yeah, it's crazy. You know what?
That was banging.
I dig that.
I'd almost prefer this one for breakfast. It's not as heavy.
You stole my words. Yeah, honestly, this is perfect for breakfast. This is like light, fragrant. Oh, baby. Ooh.
Breakfast burritos, mate.
And all you gotta do, right, is not make it as thick as mine. And it'll be easier. But, you know what they say? A burrito, it's a vessel for the filling. And when life gives you vessels, give them hot lemons. Man, these wraps are so small. And they fucking broke! Why you break?